Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Science online class. Okay children, what did we learn in the previous class? Yes, we learnt about adaptation of animals in cold regions. Okay, let me ask some questions. What are adaptations? Adaptations are special features in the structure or behavior of a plant or an animal that help it survive in its habitat. How are animals classified based on their food habit? Based on their food habit, animals are classified as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, and aerial animals. The different kinds of terrestrial habitats are hot deserts, cold polar regions, and high mountains. Children, already we have discussed about the terrestrial animals. So in this class we are going to discuss about the aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. So in this class we are going to discuss about the animals like fish, amphibians and water birds. First, let's see about the fish. Children, already we know how do fish breathe? Yes, fish breathe through their gills. How do fish swim? Fish swim with the help of their fins, and the tail fin helps them to change the direction. Children, see the fish. Fish have boat-shaped body. This boat-shaped body helps them to move through the water easily. Next, fish breathe the oxygen dissolved in water and they can stay underwater. And see the whales and dolphins, they have blowholes. See, blowholes located near the top of the head to help them inhale air from the surface above the water. Next, let's see about amphibians. What are amphibians? Animals which can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. For examples, frogs, crocodiles and turtles. First, see, what is this? Yes, this is a frog. As we know, frogs have two organs for breathing. They are lungs and skin. While in water, their moist skin helps them to take in the oxygen dissolved in water. And when on land, frogs breathe through their lungs. And see, they have webbed feet. These webbed feet help them to swim in water. Next, see, what animal is this? Yes, this is crocodile. Children, crocodiles cannot breathe underwater, but they can hold their breath for more than an hour. And the next animal is turtle. See, turtles have fin-like organs. These fin-like organs called paddles. These paddles help them for swimming. Next, we are going to discuss about the water birds. Children, do you know that water birds live in water? Yes. Can you name some water birds? Duck and pelican. Very good, children. So, water birds have special adaptation to live in water. For example of aquatic birds, duck, pelican and crane. First, see ducks. Ducks have webbed feet for swimming. Next, see pelicans. These pelicans have a special kind of bill which can expand to hold large amount of fish. Here, bill means the hard pointed or curved outer part of a bird's mouth. So this bill can expand to hold large amount of fish. And the last one is wading birds. Wading birds mean birds can walk with an effort through something, especially water or mud. Wading birds are cranes and herons. Okay, children, see these cranes. They have long legs and broad feet. These long legs and broad feet help them walk through marshlands. As we know, what is meant by marsh? A marsh is an area of land where water covers the ground for long periods of time. So, wading birds like cranes and herons have long legs and broad feet which help them to walk through marshlands. Okay, children, let us recall once again. What are aquatic animals? Animals which can live in water are called aquatic animals. First one is fish. Fish have boat-shaped body to move through the water easily. Fish swim in water with the help of fins and the tail helps them to change the direction. Fish breathe through their gills. Next, whales and dolphins have blowholes which help them inhale air from the surface above water. Next one is amphibians. Animals which can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. For example, frogs, crocodiles and turtles. First, frogs have webbed feet to swim in water and they have two organs for breathing. They are lungs and skin. Second one is crocodiles. Crocodiles cannot breathe underwater, but they can hold their breath for more than an hour. The last one is turtles. Turtles have fin-like organs called paddles for swimming. Next, water birds. Water birds have special adaptations to live in water. First one is ducks. Ducks have webbed feet for swimming. Second one is pelicans. Pelicans have a special kind of bill which can expand to hold large amount of fish. And the last one is wading birds. Wading birds like cranes and herons have long legs and broad feet which help them to walk through marshlands. Okay children, hope you have understood today's topic, adaptation of animals in aquatic habitat. Thank you children, have a nice day.